Good afternoon to all. So this is Selvakumar from SNS College of Technology and Department of Computer Science Engineering. So now we are going to talk about design thinking video in transport protocol web services. So first of all, the transport protocol web service is one of the services provided by the internet as well as web development process. So the different protocols available in web development like HTTP and FTTP and HTTPS and TTPS. Okay, so these are some web services protocols are used to creating a web development as well as web services. So my mentees are going to tell how the web services are integrated with the design thinking framework as well as the benefits. Okay, so these are my mentees. So this is Sabrita and Sujana Priya and Sopna and Madan Kumar and Madan Kumar Ramasamy. So these 5 mentees are going to explain this design thinking video and start with Sujana Priya.
So as said, the first stage we design is empathy. So while we are delving into the empathy stage, basically in India, no matter where we take or across the world, we have number of cities and there are so many millions of and billions of people living in it. So daily what it happens is like basically many requests has been made regarding to the transport services. Like booking the taxis, emergency vehicles, booking flights, trains, like this many number of like transport requests are made to the people. So what is the normal request, but what happens here is the challenge, the main challenge lies here. There is no seamless, like no digital connectivity between the users and the providers. Like I have, for example, if I am booking the cab details or anything, the flight or train, if I want to do, I don't have any official network with the digital connectors who are providing the service to me. So this is the great challenge they are facing in the current today's one. And one more thing, we have different protocols and the transport services, and for every different sectors. What is the main issue here is like we don't have the single essential website which combines all these and gives an efficient website. So what we are going to do is like we are going to face this challenge when we are interacting with the people and the users in it. So first thing we have to do the efficient web service transport protocol, which creates a seamless digital connectivity between these users and the providers who provides the services. So this is the empathy part in the design.
So continue with the define part with Sabrita. Okay, sorry, with Madan Kumar.
I am going to explain about the define part. Coming to the define part, as an core challenges based on the empathy work is empathize the main issues user faces. Coming to the first point, the speed versus reliability. Some apps need instant deliveries, while others must guarantee error-free and next is security. Sensitive data like financial transaction needs strong encryption and verifications. And third point is scalability. Protocols should handle many users with the performance losses. Frameworks such as reduce video buffers or remote student or make banking transactions of temporary. And clear definition allows the team to select protocols like TCPs for reliability, UDP for speed, HTTP and HTTPS for web apps and hybrid approaches.
Okay, next with the Sabrita for IDA.
So guys, after defining all the key main challenges in empathies and define part, we are moving to the next part, that is ideate. So ideate is the part where we are using our creativity to bring out the solutions for the problem. So while coming to this, we are our main goal is to create a smart system that is integrating all the transport APIs. So what we came up with this means that is called transport protocol for web service. This is the solution. So how it is integrated means it is integrating all the APIs and all the transports like buses, cars, whatever it may be, like taxis, and even the government transport vehicles also is integrating, and their services are integrated. So without using many APIs separately for their purposes, we are integrating all the APIs together and we are giving a solutions for it. So it basically depends on three main solutions like interoperability. So what is interoperability means? Nothing but it adds the platforms and it is to connect the platforms all over the real world. And the second one will be scalability. Scalability is like adding the new services without the old services. We are adding some more extra services. And the last one is security. So security, of course, we know it is a security purpose for the data transmission. So after combining all this problem, we came up with a solution called transport protocol for web services.
So now I will explain about the prototype. In our prototype, our idea begins to take shape as a real working model. The transport protocol called for web services is built using a RESTful architecture, where each action called a protocol performs tasks like booking a ride, tracking a vehicle, or optimizing routes. All communication happens through standard JSON or XML data format, making it easy to connect with any transport app or platform. Security is ensured using 0 and 2.2 authentication, so that only verified users and systems can access the service. To keep performance high, the prototype includes caching and load balancing, which help manage heavy user traffic and reduce response time.
So continue with the testing part.
Coming to the testing of prototype, so gather feedback and iterate, deploy the prototype and observe whether protocol changes actually improve speed, security, reliability and scalability. And then use both quantitative data or qualitative user feedbacks. And then redirect or find protocol logic based on the discovered limitations. By working through each design thinking phases with depth and targeted activities, web service designs can create protocol solutions that directly addresses user challenges, leading to powerful improvements in performance and reliability and security for modern applications.
Okay, so based on these empathies and define ideate and the prototype test, so we are integrated the design thinking concept for transfer protocol web services. Okay, so it's clear. Thank you.